Okay, we just got this new FoodSaver, and we just took it out of the box about a half hour ago, and we've been using it to pack up some meat here. We got some steaks that we're packing up to put into the freezer, and it's cool. It's got the little accessory port here, and it came with a little hose that can go to canisters and stuff like that. It's got your different little, you can actually choose if you're doing dry product or moist product. So you choose with that little button there. You can just seal just the end of the bag if you're making your own bags, the roll of bags. And then once you're ready to go, you just hit vacuum seal and it'll start sucking the air out, and then it'll start sealing and all that stuff. And then it has 3 different actions for this lever here. Open is just you can open it and use it. Store is when you're just putting it in storage for your, putting it in the cabinet or whatever. And then when you put it to operate, the lights come on and then you push whatever buttons you want to and stuff. But you can see here there's a little bag cutter, so you just put your roll of bags in here and you just feed it through there, and then you can cut to whatever size you need to. And here's a little drip tray, which actually is removable. How about that? Pretty cool. And then this is the heat sealing part, so this is the part that gets warm right here, but it won't do it if you don't have it all locked up and ready to go and stuff. But we're going to do this meat here, and then we'll just show you how we're going to do it here. Alright, so we just tuck the little end into the little drip tray to operate. So those lights are going to come on, and then I can choose if it's a dry product or a moist product. I can just select which one I want it to do. And then if I just wanted it to seal the bag and not vacuum it, I would hit that. But I really want it to vacuum it first and then seal. So I'm going to do this, and then you're just going to get loud because it's going to be vacuuming here. But you can see it's going to pull the air out of there. See the green light's on, so that means it's vacuuming still. And then when the orange light comes on above seal, that means it's just working on that heat seal across there to seal it all up. And then we'll put it in the freezer and we'll have them all packed up. How about that? Good stuff.